Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm shooting outdoor. Not exactly outdoor, I'm on the terrace. I'm here to tell you about some plantation. Plantation in the sense kids should also learn along with the alphabets, numbers and rhymes, colors, shapes. They should also learn little things like learning about seeds, plantation, how to plant a seed and how a plant grows from it, then what are the parts of the plants. All these things they can know from as little as they are toddlers. So today we'll do something about that. Please come along with me. First I'll show you what all I have got. I have got some gardening gloves which I'll wear now, and along with that I have got one pot, some soil and one gardening tool to put the clay, and some seeds. I have taken some papaya seeds. So first I'll put the soil in this pot where I'm going to plant, and I have taken some papaya seed.
Once you plant the seed, put it in the sunlight and water regularly.
Now I'll put the seeds. And then I'll mix the soil properly. I'll cover the seeds with the soil and then I'll spray a little bit of water. And this way we can plant any seed in the soil. Papaya seeds I had taken out from a raw papaya and dried it in the sun for a few days, and then I have put it here in the soil. And other than this, we can put some kidney beans, then we can also put some peas, some black chana. You can soak them in water, and whenever a little bit of sprouts come out of that, you can plant them and show them to your children. You can also take a transparent pot. If you have got a glass jar or a plastic pot also, you can take just to show them. You can put a little bit of soil, and at the side of the pot in the soil you can plant the seed, so that they can see the root. Whenever it is coming out of it, they can see the root from the side of the pot. This way they'll enjoy it. Now I'll show you a different plant wherein I'll demonstrate the different parts of the plant. Now as you can see, this is a small sapling. I have taken it out from the mud just to show you. So this is the main shoot of this plant. Okay, this is the main shoot. I hope you all are able to see. And this is the root. See, this is the main root which is growing inside the soil. And these are the leaves, and these are the small branches going like this, and the leaves. And we get flowers and fruits after a plant grows into a proper size. After that we get flowers and fruits of that plant. This is a tulsi plant. We'll get some small tulsi bed kind of things from this after it grows up. And these the space between one leaf to another leaf is called the internode. and the space where from the leaf is coming out or the branch is coming out is called the node. So there are more parts which you will come to know in details afterwards. For little kids, this is enough that this is shoot and this is the root and the leaves and the branches, and then whenever the fruits or the flowers come out, you can show them that also. So I'll now show you the papaya seeds which I have planted 1 month before has grown up to a little plant. I'll show you that right now. So this is the one, this is the papaya plant which I had planted 1 month before, and it has come up to this height right now. And see, the shoot has grown stronger than the small saplings. And these are the leaves. This is the shape of the leaf of the papaya plant. And see, new leaves are also coming up now. It will grow more and then only we'll get the fruit of papaya. I hope you enjoyed today's activity, like outdoor shooting, and along with that showing the plant, real plant, not only the books. So please make children learn little things about the plants and their growing up and all those things, so that they get to know these things about plants from the beginning only. And along with that, keep watching more videos on my channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye.